Good afternoon, standard 10 students. Today I am going to explain the physics. Physics. I explained in the last class this color, big pure, right? Beyond this red color and beyond the violet color, infrared, microwave and radio wave. Behind the below, ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma ray. Yeah. So these are the visual color. That's why we can see it. Why visual? Because it creates a different sensation on our ear because of the different speed and wavelength. But these color, infrared, microwave, radio wave, ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma ray, invisible color. We cannot see. Right? Now the next topic is the range. You have to wavelength and frequency you have to keep in mind. Not all, approximately some like this one, ultraviolet and infrared. What is the range? The maximum wave. This is increasing order of wavelength. Is it? Increasing order of wavelength. And this is increasing order of frequency f. So question will be given, 4 or 5 questions will be given. You have to arrange it in increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of wavelength or increasing order of frequency or decreasing order of frequency. So here wavelength, maximum wavelength is radio wave, infrared, and minimum wavelength is gamma ray. Frequency of gamma ray is maximum, okay? Frequency of radio wave is minimum. So this is the order. Now what is the common property of all the electromagnetic wave? The common property of all the electromagnetic wave is electromagnetic wave do not require any medium for their propagations. First point, electromagnetic wave doesn't require any medium for their propagations. Second point, the electromagnetic speed, wave speed is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in air. This is a common property. They exhibit the property of reflection and refraction, both property. And fourth, they are not deflected by electric and magnetic field. They are not deflected by electric or magnetic field. And these waves are transverse in nature. These waves are transverse in nature. These are the common property of all the electromagnetic wave. Now first point, gamma ray. Gamma ray is ultraviolet ray. First of all, detections. How to detect the ultraviolet ray? Take a thermometer, black and white thermometer. See, this is thermometer, tip of a thermometer. Mercury inside, and you take a silver chloride solutions. Bring the silver chloride solution from this portion to this portion, nothing is going to happen. But when you bring this up to this part below the violet, it will turn blue, and finally the silver chloride solution will turn in brown or black. What it shows? It shows that ultraviolet ray is chemically active. We follow? Once again, a thermometer, when you bring the silver chloride AgCl solutions from radio wave to up to violet, no change in thermometers, in silver chloride solution. Here it changed blue, and finally when you come to here, this point, it turns black. it shows that ultraviolet ray is chemically active. Wait, for infrared, what is detection? For the infrared, when we bring the thermometer, wait, mercury is there, black and white. Thermometer, this portion is, you have to black. Why black? It absorbs the heat. So with black and white thermometer, when you bring the thermometer near the black this way, from here when we will start, nothing is going to happen in the thermometer. But when we go above this, what happened? The mercury levels certainly rise. Why it rise? Because the black portion of the thermometer absorbs heat, and after taking it, the mercury expands. So it means infrared has heating effect, and ultraviolet is chemically active. So this one you have to study. So first gamma ray. Gamma ray, they are obtained in the radioactive elements when the nucleus of radioactive atom passes through the excited rays. You will study this one in the nuclear physics chapter. What is the origin of the gamma ray? When radioactivity is splitted, it break into alpha particles or W ionized helium plus gamma. If unstable, then it releases the gamma radiation also. So this is the source of the gamma radiation. What is the property of the gamma ray? Like X-ray, they cause fluorescence. Fluorescence, when they strike on the fluorescent substance, they can easily penetrate to thick metal. Penetration power is more. Easily penetrate through thick metal up to 30 centimeter of the thick iron sheet. It can penetrate 30 centimeter in iron sheet. What is the use? They are used in medical science to kill cancer. Wait. That is known as the radiotherapy. This is the use of the gamma ray, and industry to check welding also. Next, X-ray. What is X-ray? X-ray are obtained from a heavy metal target of high melting point when highly energetic cathode ray is stopped or electron beam are stopped by it. Right? What is the property of X-ray? X-ray are chemically more active, just I explained you. Then the ultraviolet radiation more active. This is more active than the X-ray. X-ray is more active than ultraviolet. Gamma is more active than X-ray. They strongly affect the photographic plate, damage the photographic plate. Like gamma ray, they cause fluorescence of the certain materials. These are the common property. Use, you know, the X-ray. Fracture part, to take the photo of the fracture part, we use the CT scan, whatever it is, or X-ray. Then last, ultraviolet ray. Ultraviolet electromagnetic radiation wavelength is 100 angstrom to 4,000 angstrom. These all are given in your book that you have to learn. Yes, source of ultraviolet radiation. Any spark, when two wire join together, sparking takes place. So sparking is a source of ultraviolet ray. Right? The electric arc or sparks give the ultraviolet radiation. A mercury vapor, also a mercury vapor lamp emits radiation, a part of which ultraviolet radiation along with the visible light. Then properties of ultraviolet, what I explained you the common, that will be also there is the ultraviolet ray. Next is infrared. Infrared is heating effect. That you know. So what is the common property? All the common property is the property of the infrared also. Use of infrared. Infrared radiation are used for therapeutic purpose by doctors because it gives the heating effect. That's why doctor use this ray to heal some portion of the body. This is also used, infrared doesn't affect the photographic plate. That's why in develop the negative to positive one in studio where the negative is developed into positive, they use the infrared because infrared doesn't damage the negative photographic plates. So infrared are used in the dark room. Infrared is also used as a signal to give the signal. Why? Why infrared? Because wavelength is the maximum. So maximum wavelength, it can go without scattering much. It can travel a long distance. Region, it's have the greatest wavelength. So these are the topic. Also, this is invisible color, we cannot see. Using the remote control. So remote control, because the long distance, you are sitting far distance from the TV, using the remote control. Why? Because infrared is there, it can travel a long distance, right? Not affecting the body also. So infrared using the remote control also. So these are the property, it is given and the table form also, or in detail also, you have to learn the common property and individual property of infrared, microwave and radio wave, all with wavelength and frequency. Then one topic is left in this, that is a scattering of light in absorption. That is in the next class. And before that, as a homework, you have to write the questions, answer which is not given, which answer is not given in the book. That question answer you have to write in the copy. Thank you very much.